This is a poured concrete foundation wall. It's got a crack running from the floor all the way up to the top. Occasionally it is leaking. We're going to show you how to fix it. Start by showing you the width of the crack. This one is kind of a wide crack. Some of them are much more hairline than this one, but this one shouldn't be that hard to inject. The method we're going to use today is called Resin Injection. Some people call it Grout Injection. But either way, what we're going to do is drill some holes in the wall and pump this crack full of a waterproof resin, and it's going to stop the water from coming through. Okay, real quick, we're done now. What we did is we drilled holes, inserted the ports, and we injected resin at each port, moving slowly up the wall. You can see some places where the resin has already started to cure and ooze back out, which is perfect. The resin expands inside the wall, sealing the crack, preventing water from coming back through the wall. So this is a perfect alternative to installing a sump pump and a drain system. So if you've got a crack in the wall and your contractor says they want to put in a sump pump, you should really check out the resin injection because it's much cheaper and actually stops the water from coming in altogether rather than allowing it to come in and just pumping it back outside. So check us out, AmericanCrawlspaceSolutions.com. If you have any questions about these resin injections, give us a call. Thank you.